Loddiges was a plant nursery that was once famous for importing and growing plants from all over the world. These are a few examples of plants that were first introduced to Britain by Loddiges.
Chinese wisteria, origin Guangzhou, China, was brought to Surrey and quickly became very popular.
The common rhododendron, origin the Iberian Peninsula. These beautiful flowers are now a common sight in UK woodlands, but are considered an invasive species.
The white lotus, origin Northeast Africa. This famous aquatic plant was introduced to Britain in 1802.
All of these were brought to Hackney and grown in glasshouses, the largest in the world at the time.
That once stood exactly where our school is today.